Hi everybody, this is Agnes from Sediment, and today we're going to talk about Taittinger champagne. I love champagne. Champagne brings me joy. It makes event more serious and playful at the same time. And when talking about joy, pleasures and passions, there might not be a better champagne to indulge than Taittinger. Why? Well, for the starters, it is because the person who brought back Champagne Taittinger to the family, Pierre-Emmanuel Taittinger, has long been an advocate for champagne to be the symbol of joy, celebration, elegance, and delicacy. He has even compared champagne to Viagra, stating that Mistress of Louis XV would consider King much better lover if he had glass or two of champagne. And while he says that champagne should be taken seriously, he also believes that it should not become too serious. So let's talk about a very serious champagne house, Taittinger, that makes very beautiful and age-worthy wines that you can enjoy in all possible occasions, including not that serious ones. Taittinger has long been associated with Chardonnay grape variety. In fact, their cuvee Prestige and one of the greatest champagnes I have tasted ever, Comtesse de Champagne, is made from 100% Chardonnay grape variety. While it is still a very expensive champagne, it is also one of the most approachable prestige cuvées available. For those who prefer grower champagne, it is worth to note that Taittinger owns 288 hectares of wines in Champagne, meaning that great deal of their champagne is made from the vineyards they own. And that means they are not only winemakers, but they are also grape growers, and they are working with the land. Taittinger makes exceptionally pure and elegant champagnes that are more towards fresher and lighter style rather than showing richness and depth. I truly believe that to best understand a style of champagne house, one must taste its entry-level cuvée, if I may call it that way. And Taittinger Brut Reserve expresses freshness, lightness, and delicacy of fruit. Let's taste it. This truly is a fresh and light style of champagne. It shows a lot of white flowers and spring blossoms. However, you can also note notes of brioche, freshly baked bread, and yeasty character, but it is just in the background and not overpowering. It is light and refreshing aperitif style champagne, which is why it's perfect to be served with oysters. You get this premium quality purity of fruit for a very approachable price tag, and I think this is what makes the champagne so special. You think so too? I hope you liked my video. If you also like and enjoyed this kind of content, make sure to click like and subscribe. I would be very grateful. Make sure to also watch the next video on champagne, what's so special about Dom Perignon.